Okay, so now let's do chapter 1 test version 1, number 4. Again, make sure you're doing the right version. Okay, because there were two. All right, so for number 4, we've got this info. We've got measurement of angle 1 equals 4x plus 6. So let's put that in our picture. So this part right here means this angle is 4x plus 6 degrees. Measurement of angle 2 is 7x minus 9 degrees, so this one's 7x minus 9 degrees. Now we've got some words here. Ray XC bisects angle BXD, so let's figure out where XC is. So it's right here, and it bisects angle BXD. So let me highlight those. Here's BXD, right? If I trace it from B to X to D, that's what it looks like. So, and then bisect, remember, means cuts in half, exactly in half. So that means that this angle and this angle are going to be the same, right? And then the last sentence is AXD is a right angle. So the whole thing adds up to 90. Okay, so first thing we got to do is figure out what X is. Okay, so if we look at this thing, well, we just said that the blue line bisects the yellow angle, so it cuts it right in half. So that means that measurement of angle 1 has to be identical to the measurement of angle 2. Well, we know the angle 1 is 4x plus 6. Angle 2 is 7x minus 9. And so now I've just got a simple algebra problem to solve. Remember, I'm not adding these things and getting them to equal 180 or adding them up to 45. I have no information about that stuff. All I know is the fact that there's the bisector makes those two angles equal. Okay, so let's get the units all on one side. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides here. So if I do that, I get 4x plus 15 equals 7x. Then I'm going to subtract the 4x over, and I'll get 3x, and then divide by 3, and I get x is 5. So x is 5. All right, now I need angle 1. So let me plug in x into angle 1. So that's 4 times 5 plus 6, which gives me 26. So angle 1 is 26 degrees. Okay, if I plug it into angle 2 here, right, 7x, which is 5, minus 9 gives me 35 minus 9, which is also 26. And that's good because they were supposed to be equal, remember. So now I know that I'm probably doing the right stuff. AXC is the last thing you have to find. And so let me erase the yellow angle now. So I'll highlight this one. Let's do pink. So AXC is right here. Here's AX, and then it goes over to C. So it's that whole purple angle. Okay. Well, I know this one, this angle right here is 26 degrees. I know this one's 26 degrees. What's angle 3, right? So if this one's 26 and this one's 26, well, I know the sum of them, it forms a right angle, so all three of those put together has to be 90. So I'm going to do 90 minus 26 with another 26. So really that's 90 minus 52, which is 38. So now I know this angle right here is 38 degrees. And I need the whole pink angle here, from A to X over to C, this angle. Okay, well that's just 38 plus 26. Remember, angle addition postulate says I can take this guy, and since they're right next to each other, I can add them together to get the big thing. So 38 plus 26 is my AXC. And if I add those together, I get 64. All right. Watch it again if it didn't make sense.